I was gonna do a voiceover, but there's no music playing, so I'll talk. As you can see, everything's now $1.25 instead of $1. I had some places that only some stuff was $1.25, but looks like every single thing here. So you got containers, bags, plush, more plush. Yep, new signage, all $1.25. This gnome stuff is going strong. I guess it's not just Christmas. I guess we're gonna do it all year round. What are those? Whack a pack balloon. Oh, I think I need to try that. That looks interesting. Nightlight. Fortune cookies. Are they edible or plastic? What is that? They're paper? Okay. Paper cups for treats. I actually bought this at my grocery store and have yet to try it. Cake mix. Paper doilies. What is that? Styrofoam. Oh, they got chocolate. I'll come back. Alright, I'm also looking for seeds.
How you doing?
Good. St. Patrick's Day. Oh, there we go. Gnomes. What is up with the gnomes? Alright, let's see what chocolate they got. Because you know I love my chocolate. Alright, this is also $1.25. What's Robert's? Very cute, honey. A little, here you can, huh? Push him? Push him? He's soft. Is he supposed to make noise?
It says squishy.
It's just squishy. Sorry, honey. It's just soft. I was expecting it to make a noise. Ooh. Red Tootsie Rolls. Are these oh, no, chocolate. I like strawberry flavored Tootsie Rolls. Those were not strawberry flavored Tootsie Rolls. Kit Kats. Oh, look, they still have Smarties. Still a thing. I can see they're still stocking. Collar Mouth Pops. Alright. You don't really see anything. Balloons.
Alright.
Okay, so I am on the lookout for some places that seed displays. I can see we don't have that here. But I am DVDs. Is that a thing anymore? Anyway, they have potting soil. I don't know that I've ever seen potting soil here before. I'm looking. Oh, that was my card. That was my card. Valentine cards. Oh my god, my mask is annoying me. Okay. Alright, so I'm on the lookout for the seed display. Not all the. Okay, now here the cards are still $1. Alright. But this also is $1.25. Alright. Someone saw. Cards are $1. Someone saw color forms, and that's what I'm on the lookout for. This is $1.25. Oh my god, Robert, look. They have Disney Zoom Zooms. $1.25, which is actually really good because they're normally like $4.99. But they don't feel like, I mean, they're marked Disney and it looks Disney, but they don't feel like the ones I have at home.
They look different.
They do look different.
The printing looks different.
Can Dollar Tree sell counterfeit goods? Because this is not looking good to me. This doesn't look right. What's this say right there?
Which one's that?
So they're
Just for play. So you're supposed to play with them.
okay.
Just play.
But like, it looks like a brand is what
It is a brand.
They don't normally have that on it, so.
I was gonna say the detail looks.
Yeah. I don't know. Either they're outsourcing it to a different company or Dollar Tree is selling counterfeit.
No, it doesn't mean it's counterfeit. It means they got licensing.
They got licensing from a different company that is not as good as they used to be. I don't buy Zoom Zooms anymore, but I have a bunch. They're not really a thing anymore. Alright, stickers. Where are these color forms I saw someone have? Books. Here we are. This is what I was watching a lady. It's like color forms. Oh, they don't have all. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna get in trouble. I found them. This is what the lady was showing. Monopoly. Battleship that doesn't look beat to crap. Sorry. And then, what was this? Candyland. Did I get Monopoly? Yes. Is there anything else? Monopoly. Ooh. Did I get the last Candyland? Trouble. I already got Trouble, didn't I? Nope, that was Sorry. I do not have Trouble. Right? Why does that look the same? Okay, that is the same. Alright. And these... I miss when the sun catchers... See, this is just plastic and you color in with a pen. When we were kids, the sun catchers were metal frames with plastic beads that you melted in the oven. That was awesome. These are not. This is a color form sticker set. Sticker story set. Let's get the Mickey and Minnie. And I don't care about Potato Head. Interesting. Those are pretty cool. Alright, that was all I had on my list, was color forms, seeds, and Valentines. Rub-on transfers. Oh, I love rub-on transfers. Look at that. Alright, look at that. Any other cool rub-on transfers? Oh, here we go. There's a rub-on transfer. That looks cool. Craft section. Craft square. Double-sided tape. I don't need any, but I actually use that a lot in my junk journal, so if you need double-sided tape, I didn't know they had it here. Alright, electronics. No thank you. Beauty stuff. All marked $1.25. No thank you. Toothpaste. Chocolate. Nope. Food. Alright, let's just look at the food for the heck of it. And that is also marked up $1.25. Alright. So you gotta... So if you're not familiar with Dollar Tree, which I'm pretty sure most people watching this video are, the packaging is a lot smaller. So when you think you're getting a deal, you aren't always getting a deal. Because a lot of the packaging is a lot smaller. But sometimes you can find a good deal. Oh, what's this? A&W singles to go? Or you just put A&W in your water? That sounds a bit weird. You want your water to taste like... Huh. I got a 7-Up down here too. I don't understand. I feel like I should try it. But then it says sugar-free. And I'm totally against sugar-free. Sorry. I need my sugar. This usually is like all the nice like storage boxes, and it's nothing. They don't have them anymore. All right, I'll go down here, see if they got any good decorative jars. Spices. So I got plenty of food items. Himalayan pink salt. Pizza crust. Oh man, I'm addicted to that. I gotta resist the urge. I got plenty of food at home. Evaporated milk. Yeah, no food shortages here. They got a lot. Glass jars. Anything good? No, same old glass jars. Alright, so there is a couple empty spots, but for the most part, this is a well-stocked Dollar Tree. Alright, s'mores. Instant oatmeal s'mores. See, look at this bag of Fruity Pebbles. This is like one serving of Fruity Pebbles for like $1.25. Which I know you're like, oh no, this is like 2 servings. Yeah, but you know how you eat cereal. You never eat the correct serving size. That's one bowl for $1.25. Which, I mean, honestly, if you were traveling, this is pretty cool. You know what? I'm gonna get 2 bags of Cocoa Pebbles. I haven't had Cocoa Pebbles for a while. Look, they have like these small bags of cereal. Mm-hmm. What'd you find?
Nothing.
Alright, he's got something. That's fine. Put it in. Ooh, hot fries. That sounds good. No.
Just notice the 2 liters they're actually larger.
Yeah, I did notice the soda.
It's one thing I've seen that's actually larger than.
I know. Did you see they had like these little powder of, you know how you fill water bottles with powder? They had 7-Up flavored powder and root beer flavored powder.
Oh my.
I was tempted until it said sugar free.
Oh.
And then I'm like, no. We need paper plates, but I don't know if this is a good deal here because like look at this itty bitty stack that you get for $1.20. 30 plates. I don't think that's a good deal. Alright. Plenty of everything. So mine does not have the seeds yet. I really wanted the seeds because I've seen a couple videos where these people are getting seeds like $4 for $1.
What are they?
Seeds. Gardening seeds.
Hello.
Hi.
Package?
Yeah, like a package. Like you would see at Home Depot.
Yeah, just a box of seeds.
No. Here, let's just go down this aisle to go back in the front. It would be like a display that you would see like at a Home Depot.
Here's the display.
And everyone says they go pretty quickly.
The box.
So wet wipes. Ready wipe. 50 for $1.25. Is that a good deal? I wish they had packaged ones for me to put in my purse because we're going out of town.
That's it.
Is there a spot for them?
Yeah.
Probably. That's fine. I think I have a couple left. No. And I have hand sanitizer. But you know what I meant, like those travel,
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
like these hand scented wipes over here. Do they actually do anything?
They scent your hand.
Here, I'm gonna get this coconut one just to throw in my purse on the trip. You don't think it actually sand it? Okay, never
Look
mind.
at the back of it. You gotta look at the back and see what it's got. Does it have any alcohol? Does it have anything that looks like it would kill something?
So you're saying it's pointless, essentially.
Kind of think that, yeah.
All right.
This propylene glycol might get it. I don't know.
It's fine. We still have other stores to go to. I'll find the antibacterial wipes.
Better safe than sorry.
Okay. So we got a couple things. I found the collar forms, so I'm happy. That's what I'm an 80s girl, so of course I need collar forms. Let me double check the front real quick. Did I miss the seed display? So what he's talking about is this gardening easy down here. Let's just double check to make sure there wasn't anything good in that. Yeah, no. I'll stick to my old-fashioned way.